So, who broke it? I'm not mad. I just want to know. I did. I broke. No, you didn't. Falco, don't look at me. Look at Fox. What? I didn't break it. Huh, that's weird. How'd you even know it was broken? Because it's sitting right in front of us and it's broken. Suspicious. No, it's not. Ever matters. Probably not, but Abby's was the last one to use it. I didn't even drink that crap. Oh, really? Then what were you doing with the cover car earlier? I used even stirs to push back my chemicals. Everybody knows that, Lucario. Okay, alright. Let's not fire anything. I broke it, let me pay for Hanta. No! Who broke it? Hanta? Princess Daisy's been awfully quiet. Really? Yeah, really. Oh my god! I broke it. It burned my hands, so I punched it. I ran it out now. Frozen in their throats, the war pain, their faces and fingers. I can't believe it. No, it's not me. Oh my goodness! Whatever. Ah! Good. It was getting a little chummy there.